With EventDoor, you have a wide variety of content organization options. In this video, we will go over tags, collections, and linking items. Let's start by going over how you can organize live broadcasts and videos. Both support the ability to connect collections and tags. Navigate to a broadcast you have already created, or create a new broadcast. In the Collections section, you can select the collection, then the item within the collection you would like to link to this broadcast. Note: you can add multiple items from any collection to a broadcast. You can also add tags in the Tags section. The process is the same for videos. Navigate to a video you have already created. In the Collections section, you can select the collection, then the item within the collection you would like to link to this video. You can also add tags in the Tags section. For videos specifically, you can change which hub the video is connected to. Collections and collection items both support linking tags. Navigate to a collection you have already created and click Edit, or create a new collection. In the Tags section, you can quickly add multiple tags. This process is the same for collection items. Click on a collection item, click Edit, then find the Tags section where you can input tags. With all your content organized with collections and tags, you can now use those to query and display specific items on your site. This is done in the Site Builder. Navigate to the Site Builder. We are going to use tags to filter some content on our site. Click the Upcoming section in the Selections panel. Now, in the inspector to the right, scroll down to where you see Query. You can sort by hubs or tags. In this case, we will sort by tags. You can see that after we select a tag, the section is updated. You can use the same feature on other elements in the Site Builder. For example, you can use tags to filter items in a collection. Videos and live broadcasts will display on collection item pages on the site automatically when linked. You can see an example of that here. That's a look at how you can organize your content on EventDoor. For more information or to get started, visit eventdoor.com.